What's up everybody, it's your boy Mr. Beast. Well, not really, it's Anne, but you know I'm writing this for her, and trust me, this is huge. Today we're diving deep into the world of anime, but with a twist. We're talking faceless YouTube automation, and guess what? You don't need to be a tech genius or animation wizard to crush it. We're talking about a proven system to create videos that are popping up more than those last to leave circle challenges. But instead of me giving away 100 grand, you're gonna be the one raking in the views and the cash. Stay glued to your screens because I'm breaking it all down step by step. We'll uncover the secrets to crafting videos that are so good, so addictive, that people will be hitting that subscribe button faster than you can say, Naruto run. This is your chance to turn your passion for anime into a money-making machine. Let's do this. Alright, first things first, we gotta find your niche. Think of it like picking your Pokemon team. You want the best of the best that work well together. In the anime world, that means finding those red-hot topics that people are going crazy for. We're talking about using secret weapons like Google Trends. It's like having a superpower that tells you exactly what people are searching for. See a huge spike for a new anime series? Boom! That's your cue to jump in and create some epic content. But wait, there's more. Don't forget about social media. It's like a giant convention center filled with anime fans just waiting to geek out. Scroll through Twitter, dive into Reddit forums, and see what's got everyone talking. Remember, the more specific your niche, the better. Instead of just anime, try Attack on Titan theories or Best Romance Anime of 2025. Find your tribe and become the ultimate source for all things anime. Now that you've found your anime squad, it's time to speak their language. And by language, I mean keywords. These are the magic words that people type into YouTube's search bar, and trust me, you want your videos to pop up first. Think of it like this. Imagine you're at a giant anime convention, and you're shouting out the name of your favorite show. The more specific and relevant your shout, the more likely you are to find other fans who are just as hyped as you are. So, how do you find these golden keywords? Easy, use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ. They're like cheat codes for YouTube, giving you insights into what people are searching for, and how to optimize your videos to rank higher. Remember, the more relevant your keywords are to your video's content, the more likely you are to attract viewers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. We're talking about building a loyal fan base that can't wait to watch your next video. Alright, we've got our niche, we've got our keywords, now it's time to weave some magic with our script writing. Remember, even though we're going faceless, our words are our voice. We gotta keep viewers hooked from the first frame to the last. Think of yourself as the ultimate anime storyteller. You're not just summarizing episodes or listing facts, you're crafting an experience. Dive into character analysis, explore hidden themes, and don't be afraid to throw in some plot twists. Keep those sentences short, snappy, and engaging. Use cliffhangers like a ninja uses smoke bombs. Disappear at the peak of excitement and leave them wanting more. And don't forget the power of humor. A well-placed joke or meme can make your video even more shareable. Remember, you're competing with millions of other videos, so make yours stand out. Bring the energy, the passion, and the knowledge, and watch as your views skyrocket. Now, before you go off writing an anime epic that would make even One Piece blush, let's talk structure. Just like a shonen protagonist needs a training arc, your script needs a solid framework to level up. Start with a killer intro that hooks viewers in the first few seconds. Introduce the topic, tease the excitement to come, and make it clear why they have to keep watching. Then, break down your content into bite-sized chunks. Think of each section like an episode of your favorite anime. Introduce a concept, explore it in detail, and wrap it up before moving on to the next exciting chapter. And don't forget a call to action. Ask viewers to like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. A clear structure keeps viewers engaged and coming back for more. Remember, a well-structured script is like a well-choreographed fight scene. It flows seamlessly and leaves the audience wanting more. Alright guys, so you've got your niche and your script locked in. Now let's talk about the fun part, the visuals. We're talking anime here, so you gotta bring that epic high-energy feel to your videos. But hold up, before you go grabbing any cool anime clip you find online, we gotta talk about copyright. We're all about keeping things legal and above board here. Using copyrighted content without permission can get you into some serious hot water. Trust me, dealing with copyright strikes is a huge headache. So, what do? The good news is, there are plenty of ways to get awesome anime visuals without getting in trouble. First up, you got free stock footage websites. There are some amazing resources out there offering royalty-free clips and images. Another option is to look for licensed content. There are websites where you can purchase the rights to use specific anime clips or images. It might cost you a little bit, but hey, it's worth it for that peace of mind. Let me introduce you to some of my favorite free stock footage websites. These platforms are a goldmine for creators like us. I highly recommend Pexels.com. They have a massive library of high-quality stock videos and photos, and it's all completely free to use. Another great option is Pixabay.com. They also have a huge selection of free stock footage, covering a wide range of themes and styles. Check out Videvo.net for a mix of free and paid stock footage. You're sure to find something that fits your needs and budget. Always double-check licensing terms. Some websites might require you to credit the creator, or have certain restrictions on usage. So, there you have it. Finding awesome anime visuals for your videos doesn't have to be a risky game of copyright roulette. By using free stock footage websites or licensed content, you can create high-quality videos without the stress of copyright strikes. Now go out there and make some epic anime content. Alright, we've got our visuals sorted, but what about the audio? A killer voiceover can make or break your anime videos. That's where text-to-speech software comes in. These programs sound incredibly realistic these days. Choose from a wide range of voices to match your video's vibe. It saves you so much time and effort. Just type your script and let the software do the work. No fancy equipment needed, just your computer. High-quality options sound incredibly natural. Adjust pitch, speed, and tone to match your video's emotion. If you're looking for a more professional touch and have some budget to spare, hiring a voice actor is the way to go. There are tons of talented voice actors out there who specialize in anime-style voices. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are fantastic places to find voice actors for your project. You can browse through their portfolios, listen to demos, and find someone whose voice perfectly matches your vision. Plus, hiring a voice actor takes the pressure off you and allows you to focus on other aspects of video creation. When working with a voice actor, be sure to provide them with a clear brief, including the script, the desired tone and style, and any specific pronunciations or emphasis you want. Clear communication is key to getting the best results. Whether you choose text-to-speech software or hire a voice actor, remember that a clear, engaging voiceover is essential for keeping your viewers hooked. Experiment with different voices and styles to find what works best for your content. Alright, we've got our visuals, we've got our voiceover. Now it's time to bring it all together in the editing room. This is where the magic really happens, guys. Editing is all about creating a seamless and engaging experience for your viewers. The first step is to choose the right editing software. There are tons of options out there, from free programs like DaVinci Resolve to industry-standard software like Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't get too caught up in fancy features. Even basic editing software can get the job done. Once you've got your software sorted, it's time to start piecing together your video. Import your anime clips, images, and voiceover track into the timeline. Now you can start arranging them in a way that tells your story effectively. Remember, timing is everything in video editing. You want to make sure your visuals sync up with your voiceover, and that the pacing of your video keeps viewers engaged. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cuts, transitions, and effects to find what works best for your content. Now let's talk about music and sound effects. Adding the right audio can take your anime videos to the next level. Music sets the mood and creates an immersive experience for your viewers. Look for royalty-free music tracks that complement the tone and style of your video. Sound effects are like the spices of video editing. They add those little details that make your videos pop. You can find free sound effects online or even create your own using everyday objects. A well-placed sound effect can emphasize a point, create humor, or add a touch of realism. When adding music and sound effects, be mindful of the volume levels. You don't want the audio to overpower your voiceover or distract from the visuals. Aim for a balanced mix that enhances the viewing experience. And there you have it. Editing might seem daunting at first, but with a little practice and the right tools, you'll be creating professional-looking anime videos in no time. Just remember to have fun with it, experiment, and let your creativity shine through. Alright guys, you've got this awesome anime video ready to go, but you've got to make sure people actually see it, right? That's where SEO swoops in. It's like the secret sauce to getting your video on top of the search results. Think of it like this. When someone's craving info on, say, Attack on Titan, you want your video popping up first. That's where keywords come in. You gotta find the words people are actually typing in. So, load up on tools like Google Trends, see what's trending in the anime world, spy on your favorite anime YouTubers. What words are they using in their titles and descriptions? It's all about figuring out what your audience is searching for. Once you've got your list of power words, sprinkle them naturally throughout your title, description, and even those tags. Don't go overboard and stuff them in like crazy, just make it flow. Alright, now let's talk about another super important thing, thumbnails. Your thumbnail is like the cover of your video. It's gotta be eye-catching enough to make people stop scrolling and click. Think bright colors, maybe a popular character from the anime you're talking about, and big bold text that's easy to read. And hey, here's a little secret. I'm talking huge thumbnails, like I want those things to practically jump off the screen. You gotta grab people's attention even if they're scrolling through their phones. Don't forget to add your personal branding to the thumbnail too. Whether it's your logo or a consistent style, it helps people remember your channel and click on more of your videos. So remember, a killer thumbnail and on-point SEO are your golden tickets to getting more views, more subscribers, and ultimately more success. You got this. Alright, so you've poured your heart and soul into crafting the ultimate anime experience. Now it's time to unleash it upon the world. And trust me, we're not talking about some lame duck launch here. We're going full-on Super Saiyan. First things first, blast that masterpiece across all your socials. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, MySpace if you have to. Get those algorithms working overtime and spread the word to every corner of the internet. But hold up, we're not done yet. Dive headfirst into those anime forums and communities. Engage with fellow fans, spark discussions, and subtly drop your video link like it's a golden ticket to an exclusive anime convention. Remember, the more noise you make, the more eyes you attract. And in the YouTube game, views equal victory. So, channel your inner hype beast, and let's make this video go viral. Now let's talk collabs, because two heads are always better than one, especially when it comes to conquering the YouTube world. Reach out to those anime influencers and YouTubers you admire. You know, the ones with subscriber counts that'll make your jaw drop. Don't be shy. Slide into their DMs with a killer pitch, showcasing your unique style and why a collab would be legendary. Imagine the possibilities. Double the views, double the subscribers, double the anime awesomeness. And hey, even if you're just starting out, don't underestimate the power of networking with fellow creators in the anime niche. Support each other's channels, share feedback, and build a community of like-minded individuals who share your passion. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. By joining forces and supporting each other, we can create an unstoppable anime army that dominates the YouTube landscape. Alright, my anime entrepreneurs, it's time to turn that passion into profit. We're talking about monetization, baby. And the first step on this epic journey is joining the YouTube Partner Program. Think of it as unlocking the ultimate cheat code for your channel. Once you hit that magical 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you'll be swimming in a pool of ad revenue. But don't get too comfortable because we're just getting started. With the Partner Program, you can slap those sweet ads on your videos. Pre-roll, mid-roll, you name it. Every view equals cash in your pocket. It's like printing money. But instead of ink, you're using anime awesomeness. But remember, consistency is key. Keep those videos coming, keep those viewers engaged, and watch your earnings skyrocket higher than Goku's power level during a Super Saiyan transformation. Now, let's take this money-making machine to the next level. Because let's be real, who wouldn't want to rock some epic merch inspired by their favorite anime channel? Design some eye-catching t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases. Heck, even custom-made ramen bowls. Slap your channel logo or a catchy anime-inspired design on them, and watch your fans become walking billboards for your brand. And don't forget about affiliate marketing. Partner with brands that cater to anime lovers. Think gaming gear, collectibles, even Japanese snack boxes. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions, and watch those commissions roll in as your viewers indulge in their anime obsessions. The possibilities are endless. So get creative, unleash your inner entrepreneur, and turn your passion for anime into a full-blown business empire. And that's a wrap, my anime aficionados. We've journeyed through the ins and outs of creating viral, monetizable, faceless anime videos on YouTube. Remember, the key ingredients are passion, creativity, and a whole lot of anime love. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up so powerful it sends shockwaves through the internet. Share it with your fellow anime enthusiasts, and subscribe to my channel for more epic tips and tricks on conquering the YouTube game. Until next time, stay awesome, stay passionate, and keep those anime dreams alive. See you in the next video.